Hello all, welcome to another video on logic design. This video is beneficial for those students who are going to attempt logic design exam. In this video, I have included an important university question which have been chosen randomly from the previous year question papers. I have published a few videos on the solutions of the university questions and also a few videos on the course of the logic design. The links of all those videos have been given in the description box. So let us move on to the video. Here is the fifth question. Implement the following multiple output function using 74138 and external gates. F1 of ABC is equal to summation M 1457 and F2 of ABC is equal to pi N 2367. In order to solve this question, you should know what is a 74138 decoder. The 74138 decoder is also called a 3:8 decoder. It accepts three binary inputs A, B and C. It has 8 individual active low outputs and it has 2 active low enable inputs and 1 active high input. This is the logic symbol of 74138 decoder. It accepts 3 binary inputs, that is A, B and C, and it has 2 active low enable inputs G2B and G2A and 1 active high input, that is G1. And it has 8 individual active low outputs, that is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. Now you have to implement these expressions. F1 of ABC is equal to summation M 1457 and F2 of ABC is equal to pi M 2367 using 74138 decoder and gates. So the 74138 decoder is having 3 inputs G2B, G2A and G1 and it has 8 outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. That's why it is called a 3:8 decoder, 3 inputs and 8 outputs. So the first step is G1 is connected to VCC and G2B and G2A are grounded. So this is the first thing that you have to do. After that, connect these outputs 1457, that is output from 74138 should be connected to a NAND gate because here we are using summation M. Summation denotes SOP, sum of products, and pi M. Pi denotes POS, product of sum. So when you get an expression like summation M 1457, you have to connect the outputs 1457 to a NAND gate and pi M of 2367. That means these outputs 2367 should be connected to a AND gate. So this is the rule that you have to follow here. Summation M of 1457, these outputs, that is Y1, Y4, Y5 and Y7 should be connected to a NAND gate so that you will get the output F1, and 2367, that is Y2, Y3, Y6 and Y7 should be connected to a AND gate to get the output F2, F1 and F2. And also you have to give the inputs here A, B and C. F1 of ABC. ABC represents input. Give the inputs A, B and C. You will get the output F1 and F2. So this is the implementation of these expressions using 74138 and gates.